Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Virtual Vivek. Students, today we will discuss pronoun. We have already discussed the noun topic. Now in this video lesson, we will discuss about pronoun. So stay connected. Let's begin this video lesson. First of all, the definition. Pronouns are the words which we use in place of nouns. Pronouns are used to avoid repetition of the same nouns over and over again. Many of us we know that where we use pronoun in place of noun. Suppose if I take one example, if someone is narrating a story like once upon a time there was a lion. The lion was very hungry. The lion lived in a dense forest. The lion, and so on and so on. So, are you getting my point? If we repeat the same noun over and over again, it sounds odd. So, to avoid the repetition of noun, we use pronouns. Let us see one example. Ravi is a good student. Okay. So Ravi here is a boy, masculine gender. That's why we have used here he. He is a good student. We have removed the noun, and in place of noun, what we have used here? He pronoun. Okay. So other pronouns which are I, we, you, he, she, it, they, these all together, all these are pronouns. Let us know the different types of pronouns. These are the types of pronouns. First one is personal pronoun, which includes I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Reflexive pronoun, myself, yourself, himself, itself. Emphatic pronoun, myself, yourself, themselves, etc. Indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun, possessive pronoun. Students, I will discuss all the types of pronoun one by one in the next video lesson. But first of all, let us discuss personal pronoun. Our first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. So what is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun, a pronoun that stands for a person or things, is called personal pronoun. Like I, we, you. Okay. Example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. These are called personal pronouns. Okay. Before discussing the subjective and objective pronoun, students, we have studied subject and predicate. Okay. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. What is the subject? Subject is the doer of the action, which performs the action. And predicate. A predicate are the words which tell us more about the subject. In the same way, a sentence includes two things. One is subject, another is object. Subject is the doer of the action and object is receiver of the action. So here we have to see subjective pronouns and objective pronouns. Here I have written one sentence. Grandfather gave the book to Geeta. Okay. So subject, what is subject pronoun in this sentence? Grandfather gave the book to Gita. So here grandfather, in place of this subject we can write he. He gave the book to Gita. So here he is subject pronoun. Okay, subjective pronoun. And what is object pronoun? Grandfather gave the book to her. In place of Gita, we have written her. Okay. So Gita is a feminine gender, that's why, and it comes in the place of object, that's why we have written here her. So in the place of subject, we have used pronoun he, and in place of object Gita, we have used here pronoun her. Okay, so this is subjective pronoun and this is objective pronoun. Let's say here subjective pronouns I, which turns to me, objective pronoun. ठीक है, किस तरह से ये जो आई प्रोनाउन है उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव केस जो है, ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन जो होगा वो क्या बन जाएगा, मी बन जाएगा. आई का मी, वी, अस, यू. वन मोर थिंग स्टूडेंट्स, यू इज यूज्ड फॉर बोथ सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों के लिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे यू. ही, हिम, सी, हर, इट, देयर विल बी नो चेंज. दे, देयर. Here if we see the person, then I, we is the first person, you is the second person, and he, she, it, they is third person. Okay, so first person is always the speaker, second person is always the listener, and third person the person to whom we are, about whom we are talking about. So this was the pronoun. Let's take a quick revision. What is pronoun? We use pronoun. Pronoun are the words which we use instead of noun, in place of noun. And why we use it? We use it to avoid the repetition of same noun over and over again. Okay, that's all for today, students.